Hi guys, welcome to Tarla Dalal's kitchen. I am Chef Janvi and today I am going to make a very popular street food from Mumbai, Veg Frankie. So let's start making it. For the stuffing, we will first take some oil, and I'll add some ginger garlic paste. Now I'll add some boiled and mashed potatoes. Chilli powder, garam masala, chaat masala, coriander, and some salt to taste. The chaat masala provides a really chatpata flavor to the Frankie. Mix the masala well so that they blend and give a nice flavor. So our stuffing is ready and I'll keep it aside, and let's move on to the next step. So you might have noticed that the Frankie wala always gets some half-cooked rotis. Similarly, even I have made some rotis. So let's cook them completely now. I'll apply some butter to cook it. Now our roti is brown and cooked completely, and I'll keep it aside. And in the same tawa, I'll cook 1/4 of the mixture. Let's add some butter to this. Cook this for 1 minute on a medium flame. You might be wondering why am I doing this. Just like the half-cooked rotis, the Frankie wala makes stuffing in large batches. While assembling the final Frankie, they quickly heat the stuffing so that it's ready to serve. So let's assemble our Frankie. We'll first place our roti on a clean dry surface and add the stuffing. Spread it evenly on one corner of the roti. Now I'll add some onions. This will give a nice crunch to the Frankie. I've made this masala water using garam masala, red chilli powder and amchur powder. It will provide a very tangy taste to the Frankie. And finally, I'll pep it up with some chaat masala. Roll this up tightly. And our Frankie is ready. Do try the recipe at home and let us know how you liked it. Goodbye from Janvi.
Download the Tarla Dalal app on your Apple and Android devices. Follow us on the Facebook and tarladalal.com.